Hello everyone, I'm Miss Jackie. I'm here to show you how to do the no-sew pouch, and all of our craft materials and instructions are available on our website on our summer reading page. And so this is week 2 and we're doing our no-sew pouch. So if you came by to pick up our materials, it's still not too late. You can come by at our designated times, which is on our site. So if you have the bag, I'll show you what's inside and then we'll get started. So each bag has your instructions, and you have a round piece of felt with pre-cut slits, and you have a cord, and you also have some beads. You'll have 4 beads. So, all right, so we'll get started. So you'll take the cord and you'll take your piece of felt and you'll start weaving it in and out of your piece of felt like this, and just little by little until you have your cord all the way through, almost there. Little by little, a few holes at a time. Just there, kind of like lacing up some shoes. There we go. And then it's up to you if you want to use the beads that were given to you. I'm going to put my beads on. I'll put this bead on this side and this one on this one. And then what you're going to do after you got your beads on, you're going to tie the ends of your cord so the beads and the cord doesn't come off or through the fleece. Just like that. And now you can open your pouch like this, and then you can close your pouch and tie it up like that. And then if you watch this video and do our craft and then you use Beanstack, your code is SATCHEL, and that's SATCHEL. And then last week I forgot to mention the code for the Mastodon craft, and that's TUSK. That's TUSKS. So, all right, everyone, I hope you had fun making these crafts, and I will see you next time. Thanks, everyone.